Hi guys, in case this is a YouTube video, I know I've been away for so long. Please like, subscribe. I promise it will be fun. I'll try my best to be consistent. I'll try my possible best because a lot is going on. But I really want to teach you guys. I want you to be part of my life. I want you to be. Oh my, I'm rambling now. So let's go right into the tutorial. Okay. Hi guys. I hope I don't look as frustrated as I am. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to carve your brows if you have scanty eyebrows. You know how people, when you don't have brows, they're like, don't cut my brows, yo. Don't shape my brows, yo. Well, today I'm going to teach you. It's called carving. It's not called shaving. So if you go to someone and you ask them to help you shape or carve your brows and you don't have brows again, you went to the wrong person. So today I'm going to be using this. It's like one of the first time I'm actually using this because I'm so used to using razor blade that I find this so hard. Like, I don't know why I find this so hard. It's also a blade, like, just with something. I don't know whether it's me being bush or so, but whatever. So all you really need are just three things: your mirror, your blade, and a spoolie. To have a spoolie when you have that old mascara that has been there for 3 years, go and throw it away. Remove the brush, wash it, sterilize it, and use it. 3 years, 2 years, what is it? Wanna die with it? Anyways, so if you have brows and stuff, they're scanty does not mean they're not there, does not mean they will not get scattered. So the first thing you're going to do is try and brush down to try and see a line where you want, there's going to be like a demarcation. You see how you shall know your brows and when it's going up, like the ones that are not supposed to be there. So you start like this, start from up and just take it like this. Now this is how you form the brows you actually want. I said the brows, the shape. Okay, like this. You have like wipes or something or tissue paper where you can like clean the hair off, because there's going to be hair. Don't mind those people saying don't have hair. You have hair. We know that you have the hair. We know we have the hair. You just can't see it, honey. You just can't see it. So me, I have this kind of brows that are very uneven, so I just try my best to make the best of what I can. Then after that, you've done a bit of that. Remember, you do it small. You don't just go in. If not, my guy, you're going to be bowed, and we don't want that because you don't really have naturally. You really don't want to be bowed. You might make some mistakes. Just comb it out and brush it out. Do you understand? And see if you like what you're doing, and if not, you can just go again. Gradually. Don't be in a hurry. Alright? So now that you're done with that, I like to push up now. The first thing we did was to push down. Now we're going to push up the hairs. We're going to push it up. And then we go like this. Start to carve out how you want underneath to look. You're just giving a shape, because when you give this your scanty brow shape, I'm not even lying to you, the more obvious it will be more obvious that yes, so this auntie actually has something on her brows. It's not just empty. Now I'm not trying to show you the perfect shape, because me, I don't know what the perfect shape is. I don't know what that looks like, but I'm just showing you how to get your brows to the best. Like, it's just easier for me. It's easier for me. Anytime I try to overlook it and be like I don't have brows, it doesn't work for me. So it's just easier for me. My brows are pretty sparse in some areas, so it's not going to be your legit. Oh my god, she's taught me how to shape my brows, and yeah, I love it. Not necessarily, okay. So now, if your brows are a bit stubborn to this part, what you're going to do is like maybe you can take like a powder or like a primer or something like a gel. So what we're basically going to do is going to brush this up, so that gel helping it to stay up. The excess, there are going to be some excess, you will trim it off. The struggle, okay, so this is just a primer I'm using, as like something that is wet. So before it dries, you can just use it a bit to push it up. Honestly, your best bet is a gel, something to keep those things up there, you know. And then whatever is up, that is above the line that you have originally shaped, you go gradually. Don't cut your skin, no. Go gradually, and then you just do that. So what you brushed up, whatever has passed that line that you've said that's where you want your brows to start from, you just take the blade and just do that. So now after you've done that, you shape, you see what you've gotten. You can see I didn't really go to my front because I don't have anything there. There's barely anything there. And then it's coming to shape. It's coming to shape according to the shape I want, according to the shape my brows can get to, according to the shape that's okay for me. For me, not for anybody. Please don't come for me, okay? Shape that's okay for me. If you like your arc to be higher or deeper, you can always go in more. Remember, it's easier to take gently. It's easier to take bit by bit off than to scrape up the whole thing. Once you scrape it, sweetheart, it's gone. It's gone. I know that some people don't like using this to shave their brows because they say it grows faster. But we don't have like that, so we don't really mind if it grows faster or not. So, can you see the difference between this and this? Like, hair is more obvious here than here. You can see naturally that my brows do something like this, like semi-cycle. Don't come for me, yeah, because it's really sparse in some areas, but we're trying to make it visible. With this, you actually know where you want the line to start here, and then when you're drawing it with a pencil, you can always give it an arc or an arch or arc, whatever people say, but I call it an arc, like this, and then you go, and then this place will just be slim. Can you see the difference? I hope this light is not washing me out. We just did this, and this is this. I hope this helps somebody. I will go off camera and do this and come back and show the final look to see if it does make a difference to you. If it does make a difference to you, please, like this video, help me share it, follow me if it's on Instagram, subscribe if it's on YouTube. I love you guys, and I hope this really changed your game. I hope this really changed your mind from thinking that because you don't have full brows that it's not the worst thing that can happen to you, honey. It's not even a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. You just need to know how to finesse it, finesse what you have, finesse what you have. I want only full brows. Those people that have full brows, they'll be envying you. They'll be asking you, how did you do it? How did you do it? You just tell them that. I follow Boyo. Don't be stingy with me, honey. Okay, we're all family. We can share. If I continue rambling, yeah, eyebrow tutorial have turned to story time. No, but yeah, I'll be back to show you the final result. Okay. So there you have it. This is the final look, and I hope it's okay for you. We might all have the what they call it. We might all have the scanty brows in common. Everybody does have a different eyebrow shape, so do what works for you and follow the shape, I'm not teaching you how to do this shape to your eye. If yours are perfectly arched and they just, and the only problem is that they're really scanty, just follow the steps, okay? Do not scrape your whole hair out, and do not be scared of shaping or carving your brows, okay? They will grow back. They will grow back. Maybe not full, but like the same, but they will grow back. They'll definitely do. And you will love drawing your eyebrows now, if that has been a problem for you. Bye.